Hey everyone! Ever wondered what happens to that slice of pizza after you eat it? I'm here to take you on a fascinating journey through your digestive system. Ready? Let's dive in. So, you munch on your food, and it all starts in your mouth. Believe it or not, your saliva is already at work, producing about 1.5 liters daily. Saliva has enzymes that kickstart the starch breakdown while you chew. This forms a mushy ball called a bolus. Yum, right? Next stop, the esophagus. This muscular tube uses peristalsis, a fancy term for wave-like movements, to push the bolus down to your stomach. Now the stomach is like a churning cauldron. Muscular contractions mix the bolus with gastric juices, which are super acidic and contain enzymes to break down proteins. The stomach also signals the liver to get ready with bile. Things are heating up. After the stomach's done with its magic, the food, now called chyme, moves into the small intestine. Here it enters the duodenum where bile from the liver rushes in to break down fats. Pancreatic and intestinal juices join the party to further break down fats, proteins, and carbs. The nutrients then get absorbed into the bloodstream through the villi in the jejunum and ileum. It's like a nutrient highway. The journey doesn't stop there. What's left heads to the large intestine, or colon. Here water is absorbed, turning the waste into stool. Finally, it's stored in the rectum and then, well, you know the rest. And that's it, from a delicious bite to, well, the end of the line. Stay tuned for part 2 where we dig deeper into the small and large intestines. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.